Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a Google Form. So let's begin the video. Open your Google Form, then click on the send button. Now from here, click on the paperclip icon. Now click shorten URL. Copy it. Now open a QR code generator website. For example, I'm using this website. Now paste your URL and as you see, it's give us a QR code. Now download it. It's simple. You can use this QR code by using a QR scanner website. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.